Most people think making money online is complicated. They imagine expensive courses, special skills, or years of experience. But that's not true, because your first $100 online is usually the easiest money to make. Not because it's simple, but because you only need one thing, a starting point. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to do too much. Too many ideas, too many platforms, too many distractions. And because of that, they never start. So here's the truth. Your first $100 online does not come from perfection. It comes from solving one small problem for one person. That's it. Maybe you edit videos. Maybe you design thumbnails. Maybe you write captions. Maybe you translate text. Small skills, simple services, real money. The internet rewards usefulness, not complexity. That means you do not need to create a business first. You need to create value first. Start where demand already exists. Freelance platforms, social media clients, small businesses. People are already looking for help, and they are willing to pay. But here's what matters most. Don't chase passive income first. That's the trap. Passive income comes later. Your first goal is active income. Learn how money is earned, then scale. And remember this, your first $100 is not about the money, it's proof. Proof that you can create income outside the system. Proof that your skills have value. Proof that freedom is possible. Once you make the first $100, everything changes, because now it becomes real. And once it's real, you stop doubting yourself. So if you want to build wealth, start small, start now, and earn your first proof. Welcome to Wealth Gapper.